Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here for sale a move-in ready, well-appointed two-story. It comes with 5 bedroom, 4 bathroom, and is a 3 family contained home. It is located in the well sought after Queensborough Gardens, Kingston 19 community. The land area of this house is approximately 3,500 square feet. This is the ideal live and earn or outright income earner property. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 55 million or US $357.3 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.